Yo, what's good, everyone? I'll take you over the trade that I took yesterday on the Nasdaq. Again, I want to clarify this. I usually don't trade when a big news event drops, but I'm just journaling this, so I wanted to take as many trades as possible to gather data and see if what I do is working and gain again confidence in the markets. So let's go over this. So at 8:30 we had news. It was pretty important news. It was unemployment claims, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings. So we had a big fat drop, like really big. And we took out this previous session, New York session low, which was my draw on liquidity for today. It was actually this one. But then as soon as I saw this candle go down and take out this liquidity, I was okay. We can look for some longs, even though I was bearish. But as I'm doing the ICT mentorship, we can still take trades that are against our bias, but risking a little bit less. In fact, I risked less than 1% on this trade, so that was a good risk management in my opinion. And this trade could have still worked. So um, after we saw this rapid move down, we saw some upward moves, and I wanted this. Actually, I wanted this gap to at least get filled back again, because usually when we have high impact news and we see these gaps forming, I want this gap to get filled again. So that was gonna be my target if I was bullish, but I was not bullish, so I wanted to see price rebalance from these highs to this low. So this was going to be my take profit. And yeah, so we saw some upward moves, some displacement. We broke out this recent high. So a market structure shift, in my opinion, it was a rapid move high, breaking a previous high, and we created these two fair value gaps. I entered literally on the wick of this candle, and then we retraced into this fair value gap as well, and I got stopped out immediately, and then price almost hit my take profit, but it didn't. So, but it could have been still a winning trade, like a 1-to-5, 1-to-1-5. But yeah, this was gonna be my risk to reward for today. So yeah, I just want to learn from this mentorship how I can gather data and how um, these markets actually move, and I want to see whether news impacts my trades that much or not. So this week we had two trades taken with a high impact news, which I wouldn't probably take if I was risking my own money, but I'm on a demo right now. So yeah, for this week it would have been a win and a loss. So a mid-week, but I knew where price wanted to go the whole week. Last week on Sunday night, I highlighted this fair value gap that had to get filled. On Monday, we saw the fill of this fair value gap, and then I just wanted displacement down until these lows, and probably maybe next week we'll open and take this strong liquidity right here, and then maybe go up again, or it just wants to flood the face and just go down and break this low. At this point, I would be looking for shorts. So right now we took out these two previous days lows. So I would be a little bit more bullish, as we're still bullish on the weekly time frame. So we'll see what the Monday candle gives us. But right now it's kind of flipping into a more bullish side of things, something like this. So that's interesting to see whether next week will be bearish or bullish, but we'll see.